welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Facial hair around the upper lips, facial hair under the chin, facial hair at the side right here that look unsightly on the face. Now if you're suffering with a lot of facial hair, guess what? I have a solution for you today. I'm going to show you how you could use simple ingredient that you can basically find in your kitchen to whip up a hair inhibitor. This hair inhibitor will help the hair growth to slow tremendously down. Now this hair inhibitor is a very strong inhibitor. It's gonna slowly get rid of that hair by sinking deep in the hair follicle, basically killing the root of the hair, causing the hair to fall out, and eventually you're gonna notice that the hair just don't grow back at all. However, you gotta be dedicated to this. You gotta use it at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. So if you're looking to get rid of your unwanted facial hair, this video is for you, so continue on. Now before you apply your growth inhibitor, you want to make sure to cleanse the area first. Next, you're gonna get a wash rag, put it in some warm or hot water, let it cool down a little, not too cool, cool enough to attach to the skin. Now wherever you're trying to get rid of the hair from, you're going to take the wash rag and you're going to apply that warm wash rag to the area, and you're going to leave it on for about a minute. Okay, now what you're doing, you're actually opening the pores so that the solution can be absorbed better into the skin to get deep into that hair follicles. Okay, now once this is done, you are ready to apply your growth inhibitor. Now you want to make sure to start this before you apply. For this hair inhibitor, I suggest you use a brush to apply. You can use your hands, but you definitely need a gloves. Now here is my brush, so I'm just going to soak my brush up with the solution, and the first place I'm going to apply mine is on my upper lips. And this have an amazing smell. Not one that you would wear out, more like a medicated smell. The next, my chin area. Now if you have hair on the chin, this is a wonderful treatment for the chin hair. It definitely is going to help you out a great deal. However, you want to use this on a regular on the chin to get rid of the chin hair. Now once you apply this remedy to the skin, you're going to sit with it for about 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, you're going to go and you're going to rinse this off with some warm water. The treatment is going to dry on the skin, so be mindful of that. Be mindful of where you wear this treatment. Do not wear it around your white stuff. It definitely will stain the stuff. So I'm going to sit with this for 30 minutes. Now if you want to know how I made this hair inhibitor recipe and the ingredients, values and properties, then continue watching the video. Our first ingredient is turmeric powder, and turmeric powder, when used on facial hair, will help to slow the growth process down. With continuous use of turmeric powder, you will eventually get rid of your facial hair. Our next ingredient is lemon, and lemon contains citric acid. With the citric acid and the turmeric powder, the combination is going to help to speed up the process of getting rid of your unwanted facial hair. Our next ingredient is lavender oil, and this is lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is known to help to inhibit hair growth and significantly reduce the growth of excess hair, especially on the face and body. And our final ingredient is tea tree oil, and this is another wonderful oil for slowing the hair growth down. Tea tree oil have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. It also have property that can also inhibit the hair growth. So I'm going to mix all the ingredients together to create a powerful anti-inflammatory hair remover for facial hair. Now just watch how I prepare these. You're not going to just throw them together. It actually is a process, so just continue watching. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the lemon. And I'm going to zest the lemon since I'm going to use lemon zest and lemon juice. To zest the lemon, you need a grater and just rub the lemon on the grater like I'm showing here. If you do not have fresh lemon zest, go ahead and use some lime zest in this recipe. You do not need a lot, okay? And here we have our lemon zest. And now we're going to move on to taking care of the lemon. So this is a large lemon. I'm using about a half of a large lemon. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze my lemon since I'm extracting the lemon juice. In this recipe, I'm not going to use any form of water. The juice from the lemon is all I'm using. You want to remove the seeds. Now once the seeds are removed, here we have our fresh squeezed lemon juice. And as I said, this is about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Moving on to preparing our hair remover treatment. And here we have our lemon zest, which is about a teaspoon of lemon zest, more or less. And now I'm just going to mix the lemon zest with the lemon to create a very strong solution. Next, I'm reaching for my tea tree oil, and I'm using about 10 drops of tea tree oil. Yes, we're using a lot because we're making this very strong. About 10 drops of tea tree oil. And for our lavender oil, we're doing the same. We're using about 10 drops. And the lavender oil also is going to help this to have a very pleasant smell. And now we're going to blend together. And it's going to seem a little thick, guys. That's okay. The oil mixed with the lemon zest and the lemon is going to thicken up somewhat. Next, we're going to move on to the main ingredient, and it is the turmeric powder. Now we're going to start off with 2/2 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then we're just going to blend this in. And this does not need to be very thick, since it's not a process of pulling off the hair, but it's a process of softening the hair, which will eventually stop the hair from growing. It will penetrate deep in the hair follicle, basically, killing the root of the hair and prevent it from growing back, okay? So now our facial hair remover is ready. So there you have it. Give this facial hair removal remedy a go. Give it a try. Use it for a couple of weeks. Come back and leave your comment. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was your first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.